Are you planning on traveling this year, and have no idea which power adapter to bring with you? Don't worry. In this video, we'll take a look at the best universal power adapters for travel, so you can stay plugged in wherever you go. We'll also provide tips on how to choose the right adapter for your needs, and which countries are compatible with each type of adapter. So let's get started. List number 1. EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter. The PICKA Universal Travel Adapter is a 4 USB port, 1 USB Type-C and 1 AC socket multifunction with 880 W of power to provide consistent power to your devices while traveling. It has been tested and approved by over 100 airlines worldwide. Prep for all your vacation essentials with the EPICKA Universal Travel Adapter. The 12 volts 5 volts motherboard power adapter features 2 international power plugs so you can connect to the outlets you need while traveling. With the power adapter, you can charge multiple devices at once, and it even comes with 4 USB ports so you can plug in your smartphone or tablet along with other accessories. This universal travel adapter provides European and US style plugs to handle all electrical needs, which is convenient for both travel or daily usage. 8A overload dual fuse, safety shutters, plug lock system, RoHS, CE and FC certified, which guarantee safety. Not convert electrical output current and voltage. EPICKA Universal Plug Adapter does not convert voltage, and the input voltage of the appliance the adapter is connected to match the local power voltage. Internal spike and surge protection circuitry safeguards your valuable devices. List number 2. World Travel Adapter Kit by Ceptics QC 3.02 USB plus 2 US outlets. This is the World Travel Adapter Kit by Ceptics QC 3.02 USB plus 2 US outlets. It works almost anywhere in the world with a safe grounded connection. Works for your laptops, iWatch, MacBook Pro, Google, Chromebook, iPhone, Galaxy S8, flashlight and other dual voltage electronics like cell phones and iPad 2. This travel charger comes with a pouch. Includes 2 USB ports, max output 2.4, lets you charge 2 USB devices such as cell phones and iPad together. An embedded micro USB cable and connector is helpful to multiple mobile devices recharging. Ultra compact size measuring 2, 75 inches x 3, 75 inches by 1, 5 inches and weighs less than 5 ounces. Travel pouch included fast charge quick charge compatible devices such as Samsung Galaxy, tablets and more. Protect your high-end electronics from harmful voltage surges and spikes. Voltage indicator LEDs, 110 volts or 220 volts. One LED illuminates to indicate 110 volts in the outlets, or both LEDs will illuminate to indicate 220 volts. Air, Type C, UK, Type G, US, Type B, AU, Type 1, O, Type E, F, JP, Type A. Plugs compatible with outlets in North America, United Kingdom, most of Europe, Australia, Japan, parts of Africa, Middle East, Asia, China, and more. Other SWADAPT attachments sold separately. This travel adapter plug is compatible with only dual voltage products and electronics. It will not work with 110 volts items such as hair clippers, CPAP machine, hair dryers and curling irons, etc. List number 3. JOOMFEEN Worldwide All-in-One Universal Power Wall Charger. The JOOMFEEN Universal Wall Charger with 1 universal AC outlet and 2 USB ports has a US, EU, UK, AUX plug for your USA, European and UK electrical products, a universal plug for all countries around the world, and a unique compact design with built-in safety shutters. We understand how important it is to be able to take your electronics with you when you're traveling abroad. This charger provides enough power to charge all of your electronic items at once, so you don't need to worry about running out of juice while you're away. Its high-quality construction provides extra assurance of safety in traveling or at home. It is constructed of fireproof material which resists temperatures up to 800. It has a built-in fuse protection which protects your device from overheating when your device gets too much load. No need to worry about what country you are going to visit, because this powerful international travel adapter supports 150 countries worldwide. Fuse Protect, built-in safety shutters, LED power indicator and a 12-month warranty. World Power Wall Charger is the most powerful, versatile and intelligent universal travel power adapter on the market. With its unique design and built-in safety shutters, this international power converter provides full-time protection against overcurrent, overcharging, overheating and short-circuiting. The built-in fuse and LED light indicator ensure that you can use your devices even when you're on the go. List number 4. UniDapt Universal Travel Adapter. UniDapt Universal Travel Adapter is a small compact size with 5 USB ports to power all your devices. Includes 4 USB-A and 1 Type-C smart charging port. Charge up to 6 devices at the same time in just one outlet. UniDapt Travel Adapter can be used with 1 AC, 4 USB and 1 Type-C at the same time. It is a very safe way to plug in all your non-grounded devices at the same time wherever you travel. With our universal power adapter, you can share USB ports with family and friends. The adapter comes built-in smart IC chip that intelligently recognizes your devices and lets you charge them in a short time. Enjoy your perfect holidays wherever you travel. This universal travel adapter is made to power all your devices when you're on the go. It's small, lightweight and compact for easy travel, so you can charge up to 6 devices at once. Just one outlet allows you to charge up to 6 devices at once. Its compact size makes it a convenient way to keep all your non-grounded devices charged during travel or outdoor activities, including your travel hair dryer, shaver, laptop and curling iron, digital camera, tablet, Bluetooth speakers and headphones. List number 5. GLAMFIELDS Universal Travel Adapter. Glamfields Universal Travel Adapter plugs into any standard power outlet, allowing you to charge up your USB device, iPad or smartphone while traveling. This all-in-one travel accessory has 3 USB charging ports, 1 USB Type-C port and 1 USB-EU-O plug to adapt to most foreign countries. Ideal for unlimited charging when traveling. It is suitable for the most mobile devices like iPhone, iPad, Samsung Tab and more. This universal power adapter is designed to be compatible with most major outlets from around the world. With a variety of international plugs, this universal travel power adapter lets you power your laptop and other devices over 220 volts without any adapters. The built-in self-resetting fuse means that no matter what happens when traveling, your device will be protected by this handy universal travel adapter. This USB power adapter has built-in IC chip, can automatically identify the current and voltage and choose the appropriate charging mode accordingly. Provides protection for the devices. The built-in safety shutters protects the user from direct contact with live parts at the socket. By moving the selector switch, only one plug can be used. The other plugs are automatically locked. It only applies to the use of small power electric appliances when traveling, such as mobile phones, digital products, computers with low power.